How to post a live photo on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Then open up Instagram on a device. Now simply swipe left and open up your camera. Now tap on gallery. Now select the live photo. Now tap on the infinity icon at the top left section. Now wait for some time. Now tap on done. Now tap on your story. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.